12. Shahr-e. Shahr-e is a beautiful and charming village in Gilan province, located in the Blue district of Bijar County. It sits along the Caspian to Wash Road, 25 kilometers from Rash and 35 kilometers from Bijar. You can access the village from the Caspian-Wash highway by heading in the opposite direction of the Imamzadeh Hashem shrine. To get to Shahr-e and nearby villages, you need to cross the bridge over the Shahr-e River. The village is nestled on the slopes of the Alborz Mountains, surrounded by rivers, green forests, and hills. Its natural beauty, combined with the Bijar Dam, makes Shahr-e a truly attractive destination for visitors. Rural life in Shahr-e, even with modern changes, still follows old traditions and values. Most people in the area work in farming and raising animals. Climate of Shahr-e village. The climate of Shahr-e, especially during autumn, spring, and summer, is very mild and pleasant. This climate is ideal for vacation and family tourism, and many tourists take advantage of this opportunity. Shahr-e Dam. The Shahr-e Air Dam is an important source of fresh water in Gilan province. Surrounded by green forests, it has formed a small, beautiful lake that is very attractive and unique. The mild weather in Shahr-e, especially in spring and summer, draws the attraction of tourists and nature lovers. The weather is perfect for nature walks and outdoor activities. The beautiful nature of Shahr-e helps calm and relax visitors, making them feel peaceful and refreshed. Vegetation of Shahr-e in Gilan province. Forests. One of the prominent features of Shahr-e vegetation is its large forests. These forests are composed of a variety of local tree species such as walnut, oak, peach, hornbeam, orange, lemon, and more. These forests play a crucial role in preserving biodiversity and producing oxygen. Wildflowers. In spring and summer, Shahr-e meadows are filled with colorful wildflowers. Various flowers, including irises and other species, add beauty to the natural landscape of the region, making it even more attractive. Herb orchards. Herb orchards are abundant in this region. The local herbs, known as food, grow in spring and summer with fresh taste and natural benefits. Local music. Gilaki music and local music are among the important cultural elements in this region. Songs and traditional instruments like the tombak, a type of drum, ney, a type of flute, sitar, traditional string instrument, and that, a type of drum, are essential parts of the musical culture in ceremonies and festivals. Overall, the nature of Shahr-e with its diverse plant species, forests, waterfalls, and green hills makes this region a unique ecotourism destination. Shahr-e with its pristine nature, rich cultural heritage, and warm-hearted people engaged in various activities is one of the gems of Gilan province. This village is a blend of natural and cultural beauty, attracting numerous tourists every year.